passionate, committed, confident, resilient, disciplined, and collaborative. These are just a few words that describe what it takes to be an entrepreneur. LaunchX students are high school entrepreneurs that have a zest to solve real problems and want to make a tangible change in their communities. These students are capable of building real companies that have value in our world. Starting a company in 5 weeks isn't an easy task. These young entrepreneurs came together with their co-founding teams to put their talents to the test. They created successful team dynamics in an online setting and took action building a solution. First, they identified their why and decided on a problem to solve where they could create value. They started immediately speaking to potential customers to uncover the underlying needs and differentiate their solution in the market. They planned and designed their initial prototypes, then tested it again and again. They didn't always hear the feedback that they hoped for, but they took the advice from mentors and user testing and made adjustments to increase their chances for success. With the knowledge of their customers and a tangible solution, it was time to try to sell. Startup teams branded their business and determined pricing, sales channels, and marketing strategies. These students validated the business concepts in the market through real sales, proving the value of the offering to their customers. They set up further plans to grow through operations and financial plans. In just 5 weeks, these teams launched a real startup and charted their journey as entrepreneurs. Today, we're celebrating that journey, the hard work, the upsets, and the wins of these past 5 weeks. Plus, we recognize that this is just the beginning of their entrepreneurial journey, with many exciting milestones and accomplishments on the road ahead. We call this Demo Day because it's a demonstration of the impressive growth that these launchies have made as young entrepreneurs and as startups. Let's celebrate that growth, showcase the amazing work of these young entrepreneurs and their startups, provide feedback, advice, and show support for their continued journey.